For anyone stepping into the world of self-employment, freelancing, or small business ownership, one question invariably rises to the top. How do I get paid? And the answer, more often than not, involves invoices. These crucial documents are the formal requests for payment, detailing the services rendered or products delivered. When exploring accounting software, a common query is, does FreshBooks have invoicing? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you unequivocally, yes, FreshBooks is renowned for its invoicing capabilities. In fact, it's one of its strongest and most central features. Let's unpack what FreshBooks offers in the realm of invoicing, making it easy for you to understand why it's a go-to for so many, and how it can help you get paid faster and more efficiently. FreshBooks, born from the invoice. It's important to understand FreshBooks' history. Unlike some accounting software that started as broad bookkeeping platforms and later added invoicing, FreshBooks actually began as an invoicing solution. This heritage is deeply embedded in its design and functionality, making its invoicing tools incredibly intuitive and robust, especially for service-based businesses, freelancers, and small teams. Think of it this way. If you're a designer, consultant, writer, or any professional who bills clients for time or project-based work, FreshBooks was built with your needs specifically in mind. The power of FreshBooks invoicing. Key features explained. FreshBooks invoicing features are designed to streamline the entire billing process, from creating a professional-looking invoice to getting paid. Here's a breakdown. Professional invoice creation. Customizable templates. FreshBooks offers a variety of clean, professional invoice templates. You can easily add your business logo, choose fonts, and customize colors to match your brand. This helps present a polished and trustworthy image to your clients. Detailed line items. You can clearly list all the services or products you've provided, including descriptions, quantities, e.g., hours, rates, and individual subtotals. This transparency minimizes client questions and speeds up payment. Automatic calculations. Forget manual calculations. FreshBooks automatically calculates subtotals, applies any discounts, and computes taxes, like sales tax or VAT. For you, reducing errors and saving time. Seamless integration with time and expense tracking. Time tracking to invoice. This is a huge advantage for service professionals. FreshBooks allows you to track your billable hours directly within the system, whether manually or with a built-in timer. Once the work is done, you can convert those tracked hours into an invoice with just a few clicks. No more trying to remember how many hours you spent on each client's project. Expense reimbursement. Similarly, you can log expenses incurred on behalf of a client, e.g., software subscriptions, travel costs. These expenses can then be easily added to your invoices for reimbursement, ensuring you never miss out on recovering costs. Automated billing for recurring work. Recurring invoices. If you have clients you bill regularly for ongoing services, e.g., monthly retainer, subscription, FreshBooks allows you to set up recurring invoices. You define the frequency, and FreshBooks automatically generates and sends the invoices. This is a massive time saver and helps maintain a consistent cash flow. Client retainers. For those working with clients on a fixed budget for a set period, FreshBooks supports retainers. You can bill a client upfront for a certain amount of hours or services and then track your work against that retainer. Flexible payment options and faster payouts. Online payments. FreshBooks integrates directly with various online payment gateways, including its own FreshBooks payments powered by Stripe, and others like PayPal and Stripe. This allows your clients to pay you directly from the invoice with a credit card or bank transfer, ACH. Offering easy payment options significantly reduces payment delays. Deposits. For projects requiring upfront capital, you can request deposits directly on your invoices, improving your cash flow from the start. Automated payment reminders. Chasing overdue payments is nobody's favorite task. FreshBooks automates this by sending polite, customizable reminders to clients when an invoice is due or overdue. You can set the timing and frequency of these reminders. Late fees. If your payment terms include late fees, FreshBooks can automatically calculate and apply these to overdue invoices. Tracking and management. Invoice status. FreshBooks provides clear visibility into the status of your invoices: sent, viewed, paid, or overdue. This helps you quickly identify which invoices need attention. Client communications. You can send invoices directly from FreshBooks via email, and the system often allows you to see when a client has viewed the invoice, eliminating the "I didn't get it" excuse. Reporting. FreshBooks generates various reports related to your invoices, including accounts receivable aging reports, showing how long invoices have been outstanding, and income reports. These reports are vital for understanding your cash flow and financial health.